Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to crop in Canva. So it can be you're trying to figure out how to crop image in Canva. And yeah, this is the video where I exactly show you how to do that. So let's go to the upload. So let's say this is the image, right? So you want to crop this one out. So in order to do that, let's simply tap in the image first, and in the top bar, you can see the edit option. Tap in there. And yeah, there are all the options, edit option, and there's the option of border style, there's corner rounding, and there you can see the option of crop. Simply tap in that, and you can also crop it according to the ratio. You can simply tap in 1:1, whether you want it full screen, or simply you can do it in free form. That means you can do it manually, like you can crop it pulling on the sides, and let's say you only want this date over here. Alright, so this is how you crop image in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.